Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Revolut Business API, a comprehensive platform designed to streamline financial operations for businesses. This tutorial will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to get the most out of the Revolut Business API. First, let's start with the basics. The Revolut Business API allows you to access and manage your business account programmatically, enabling automation of tasks such as payment processing, account management, and transaction tracking. To get started, you'll need to create a Revolut business account and obtain an API key, which will serve as your unique identifier for API requests. Once you have your API key, you can begin exploring the various endpoints and methods available. The Revolut Business API uses RESTful architecture, making it easy to integrate with your existing systems and applications. You can use the API to retrieve account balances, transaction history, and payment details, as well as create and manage payments, beneficiaries, and subscriptions. One of the key benefits of the Revolut Business API is its ability to automate payment processing. You can use the API to create and send payments, as well as retrieve payment status and details. For example, you can use the API to automate payroll payments, supplier payments, or customer refunds. In addition to payment processing, the Revolut Business API also provides robust account management capabilities. You can use the API to retrieve account balances, transaction history, and payment details, as well as create and manage beneficiaries and subscriptions. For example, you can use the API to automate account reconciliation, or to generate financial reports. When working with the Revolut Business API, it's essential to follow best practices to ensure security and reliability. This includes using secure authentication methods, such as OAuth, and encrypting sensitive data, such as API keys and payment details. You should also implement robust error handling and logging mechanisms to ensure that any issues are quickly identified and resolved. To get the most out of the Revolut Business API, it's also important to stay up to date with the latest documentation and releases. Revolut regularly updates the API with new features and endpoints, so it's essential to check the documentation regularly for changes and updates. In conclusion, the Revolut Business API is a powerful tool for streamlining financial operations and automating tasks. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can unlock the full potential of the API and take your business to the next level. With its robust features, secure architecture, and easy integration, the Revolut Business API is an essential tool for any business looking to simplify and automate its financial operations.